the most isolated villages in the Himalayas, hidden from the world. Have you ever wondered what life is like in the most isolated corners of the world? Deep in the towering Himalayas, far from modern cities and bustling tourist spots, lie some of the most remote villages on earth. These hidden gems, untouched by time, are home to people who have preserved their traditions for centuries, living in harmony with nature. But what makes these villages so mysterious and fascinating? And why are they so difficult to reach? Join us on this extraordinary journey as we explore the most isolated villages of the Himalayas, places where time seems to stand still. The village above the clouds, Chitkul, India. Our journey begins in Chitkul, the last inhabited village on the Indo-Tibetan border. Nestled at an altitude of over 11,000 feet, this small village in Himachal Pradesh is considered the last point of human settlement before Tibet. During winter, heavy snowfall cuts off the village from the outside world, leaving only a handful of resilient locals behind. Despite its isolation, Chitkul is breathtakingly beautiful. Traditional wooden houses, serene temples, and the gushing Baspa river make it seem like something out of a dream. But life here is far from easy. The extreme cold, limited resources, and lack of modern healthcare make survival a daily challenge. So, why do people choose to stay here? The answer lies in their deep connection to the land, their culture, and a way of life that has remained unchanged for centuries. The hidden kingdom of Turtuk, a village lost in time. Next, we travel to Turtuk, a tiny village in Ladakh, near the India-Pakistan border. For decades, this village was completely inaccessible to outsiders due to political tensions. It was only in 2010 that the Indian government allowed tourists to visit this hidden paradise. Turtuk is unique in many ways. Unlike the Buddhist culture seen in most of Ladakh, this village has a strong Balti heritage, influenced by Tibetan and Central Asian cultures. The people of Turtuk speak Balti, a rare language written in the Persian script, and their homes are made of stone, blending perfectly with the rugged landscape. Surrounded by the mighty Karakoram range, Turtuk is one of the last remaining places where ancient Balti traditions thrive. It is also home to some of the world's most breathtaking apricot orchards, which turn the village into a golden paradise every summer. But what's most fascinating is how this village remained hidden from the world for so long, only revealing its secrets in recent years. The frozen mystery of Kibto, India's easternmost village. Now, let's move to the easternmost part of India, where we find Kibto, a remote village in Arunachal Pradesh, bordering China and Myanmar. Often called the land of the rising sun, Kibto is one of the first places in India to receive the morning sunlight. Unlike other Himalayan villages, Kibto is surrounded by dense forests and steep valleys. The Lohit River flows through the village, adding to its mystical charm. Very few travelers make it here due to the rugged terrain and restricted access. But those who do are greeted with pristine landscapes and an eerie silence that makes it feel like a land forgotten by time. One of the biggest mysteries surrounding Kibto is the existence of ancient caves and hidden tunnels, rumored to have been used by Buddhist monks centuries ago. Could this village be hiding secrets from a forgotten past? Malana, the village that believes it's a separate kingdom. If you thought remote villages were just about breathtaking scenery, wait till you hear about Malana, a village that considers itself a separate republic. Located in the Parvati Valley of Himachal Pradesh, Malana is famous not just for its isolation but also for its unique customs and mysterious history. The people of Malana believe they are direct descendants of Alexander the Great's army, and they follow a strict set of self-governed laws. Visitors are not allowed to touch the locals or their belongings, and anyone breaking this rule must pay a hefty fine. What makes Malana even more intriguing is its connection to the Malana cream, a world-famous variety of hashish that has attracted travelers and researchers for decades. But despite its increasing popularity, the villagers continue to live in isolation, resisting outside influence and guarding their traditions fiercely. The ghost village of Kuldhara, cursed or abandoned. Our final stop takes us to a village that no longer has residents, Kuldhara, Rajasthan. Though not in the Himalayas, this village remains one of India's most mysterious and abandoned places. Over 200 years ago, the entire population of Kuldhara vanished overnight, leaving behind empty homes and unanswered questions. Legend has it that the Paliwal Brahmins, who lived here, were forced to flee due to oppression by a local ruler. Before leaving, they cursed the land, saying that no one would ever be able to settle there again. Even today, locals claim to hear whispers and footsteps at night, adding to the eerie atmosphere of this deserted village. Is Kuldhara truly cursed, or is there a hidden story waiting to be uncovered? The untold stories of the Himalayas, from the snow-covered heights of Chitkul to the mysterious silence of Kuldhara, India's most isolated villages hold stories that remain largely untold. These places are more than just travel destinations, they are living museums of ancient traditions, cultural resilience, and natural wonders. But as modernization slowly creeps in, how much longer will these villages remain untouched? Will they continue to preserve their unique identity, or will they fade into history? What do you think about these hidden villages? Would you dare to visit any of them? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible travel stories. Until next time, keep exploring the unseen.